I am extremely happy to be here again and having this wonderful opportunity to renew our brotherly relation with you second time in the last 6 months. Yesterday was a great day in our brotherly relations. We all witnessed, along with my brother President Tayyab Erdogan, and we are very grateful to him for according us a very warm welcome, as always, to our second home, Turkiye. Last night, we spent many hours with him, and he was very generous to allocate some time from his very busy schedule. And we had very productive and fruitful discussion as to how to further strengthen our bonds and promote our trade, investment, and defense production. So Miljam COVID is a great step forward, which was launched yesterday, and it's a joint cooperation project between Turkey and Pakistan.